Hey everybody, here's Timmy's top 10 tips to make van life cheaper for you. So there's a lot of opinions out there on whether van life or living in your vehicle is cheaper than renting. I would say yes. After 6 years of full-timing, I can definitely attest that van life is cheaper than rent if you do it wisely. So there are unique expenses that come with living on the road. Propane's more expensive than natural gas to cook with and heat with and refrigerate with. You're going to eat out more than you would at home. If you live in it, you're obviously going to be driving your vehicle more, so there will be more maintenance costs, whether it be oil changes or repairs. So most people spend at least $600 a month on rent. So multiply that by 12 months and you've got about $7,000 a year that you could be putting towards something. Multiply that times 4 years and you've got $28,000. So if you can commit to a camper or a van for 4 years, you'll own it in the end and you'll actually have something to show for your money instead of throwing it away on rent. Here's Timmy's top 10 tips to make van life cheaper. Number 1, invest in a reliable vehicle. The fastest way to throw your money away on the road is to have a vehicle that's constantly breaking down where you're having to throw money at it. Number 2, call up your insurance company and see if they can insure your vehicle as an RV. RV insurance is usually super cheap. The insurance company doesn't expect most people to live in their RV full time. You're going to be driving slowly and carefully in an RV, so you're probably not going to wreck it. You're less likely to wreck than a normal motor vehicle. Number 3, never pay to camp. 6 years of full timing, I never paid for camping a single time. There's no reason for it. Not that I don't want to support state parks, but there's plenty of places to camp for free. Number 4, don't pay for water. You can get free water at almost every gas station. Most fire stations also can give you free water. Number 5, don't pay to dump your toilet. So I think it's absolutely crazy that people don't have bathrooms in their full-time camper, house, or van, whatever it is. It's not intimidating once you get used to it. It's really not that bad, and it's super easy to dump out. Most gas stations have free RV dumps, so you can literally go take your porta potty and go dump it out at a gas station. You can also check car washes and also things like porta potties. Number 6, free electricity. So there's basically 2 ways to get free electricity. The most popular method to get free electricity is installing a solar panel. I'd recommend at least 100 watts, 200 if you can fit it on your roof. If you can mount your solar panels at a 30-degree angle, they'll absorb a lot more energy than if they were on a flat roof, like you see on most campers. So the second way to get free electricity is to have your car make it for you. Your alternator is charging your batteries while you drive. So if you put a solenoid in there, pretty cheap, 30 bucks, you can actually charge your house battery while you're driving. So that also helps a ton. Number 7, insulate your van or your camper. Insulation helps maintain the temperature that you desire inside of your camper or your van. In the winter, you'll save a lot of money if your furnace isn't constantly cycling and you're burning through your propane and using up your battery. Number 8, if you live in a cold climate, get yourself a wood stove. If you're looking for cheap heat, a wood stove is not gonna get much better. A wood stove not only is cozy, but it's free heat. All you have to do is collect firewood and you can heat your camper for free. Whereas propane is going to cost you money. If your propane heater is turning on often, you're gonna run through your propane pretty quickly and deplete your battery. So a wood stove is definitely the way to go. Number 9, use free Wi-Fi. One thing I love to do is park right outside of a library. And normally you can pick up free Wi-Fi from inside your vehicle right beside the library, which is sweet. Especially if you have to upload a large file or if you're trying to stream something. Try to use public Wi-Fi if you can. Tip number 10, maintain your camper. The number 1 most damaging thing to any camper is water damage. So make sure to keep everything sealed up. If you have silicone on your roof or anywhere, just make sure to like keep up on that and keep everything waterproofed, and that'll keep the damage from happening. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.